Yo, what's up, guys? Okay, so for the people who didn't understand what I was doing in the Spanish video, I was talking about this mad crazy lady who I just don't know where did she get the idea? How in hell do you prepare the things that you're going to cook with your mouth? She chops everything with her mouth and then he cooks it. She cooks it, sorry. With the mouth. This is crazy. Like I'm shocked on how dumb people can be. Like, first of all, this is not healthy. That's unsanitary. You can have, I don't know. This is not right. I just know that. This can't be right. Why in hell do you... Where did people get the idea of preparing the things you're gonna cook with your mouth? For God's sakes. Just watch. It's my second time watching the video. I don't even know how it's gonna react. This is disgusting, man. She diced it with her mouth. The onion. Well, instead of dicing it, she chops it. Look at that, look at that. That part gets to me. But wait, that's not the worst. Just wait a sec. The garlic. Of course, it burns. Oh! Wait. She's literally gonna... Look. An egg. And she whisks it in her mouth. She whirls butter in her mouth. When did we lose our intelligence and our common sense? Like, literally, when did we become so stupid? I don't know it. I really... Sometimes people ask me why I sometimes say that I lost my... They ask me sometimes if I actually have faith in humanity, but sometimes I watch stuff like this and I'm like, how the hell do you want me to have faith? Did you see what I just saw? What the hell was that? Where did the idea come from? Chopping food with your own mouth and then gonna make people eat it? Like, even if it was for myself, I wouldn't eat that shit. I fucking chopped it. No, I wouldn't. And first of all, I will never whisk a goddamn egg on my mouth. Or I never would bite butter so I can warm it in my mouth. I have a fucking microwave. And even if I didn't have one, I don't have to. I would never do that. Like, seriously, we have to start thinking about the things we do. We're starting to lose it. We're starting to do too much crazy stuff. We're losing it, man. We're actually losing it. Fuck. See ya. That's all I wanted to talk about. We're losing it. We have to do something about it. Let's stop this craziness.